Hi all. Welcome to Node.js application deployment on the OpenShift demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of Node.js applications on the OpenShift cluster. The complete process is orchestrated through the Jenkins pipeline. The tools, which are used in this Node.js application deployment are GitLab, for source code management, Jenkins, for continuous integration, OpenShift, for container orchestration platform. Let's explore the workflow of Node.js application deployment, stage by stage. Jenkins job will pull the Node.js application source code, OpenShift deployment YAML, and Docker file from GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will build the Docker image using the Docker file. In the next stage, Docker will push the container image to the OpenShift registry. In the final stage, Jenkins will deploy the containerized Node.js application on OpenShift using OpenShift deployment YAML. It will create a deployment on the OpenShift cluster, which will create a replica set, which in turn creates the pod using Docker images from the OpenShift registry. The deployment will be exposed as a service and the route will be created for the service. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the Node.js application happen via the Jenkins pipeline. Let us trigger the Jenkins pipeline for Node.js application deployment. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job will pull the source code, OpenShift deployment YAML, and Docker file from GitLab. In the next stage, Jenkins will build the Docker image using the Docker file. In the next stage, Docker will push the container image to the OpenShift registry. In the final stage, Jenkins will deploy the containerized Node.js application on the OpenShift cluster. Now, the deployment has been completed. Let us check the route URL to access the application. We can access the URL in the browser, and this is the Node.js application that was deployed on the OpenShift cluster. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment in action. As a developer, let me make a visible change in the source code via GitLab UI, and see how the changes are automatically deployed into the OpenShift cluster. Here, I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Jenkins once the pipeline job has been triggered. The pipeline is getting completed. Now the changes should be updated. Let us refresh the web page. We can see the changes in the hosted application. This is the complete workflow Node.js application deployment on the OpenShift container. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on microservices. Thank you for watching this video.